Today I would like to talk to you a little bit more about our R7 tool from Winfield. R7 is an in-season precision farming tool that provides product performance and critical field information for developing and evaluating field zones. There are different aspects of the R7 tool that I would like to go over today, such as the CHT tool, the satellite imagery, and our FMT tool. The CHT tool, or corn characterization chart, allows growers to use answer plot data to make comparisons of seed varieties from Cropland, DeKalb, and other major seed companies. This allows each grower to specifically choose varieties that are going to work best in their specific fields. Whether they're planning for a specific soil type, cropping rotation, plant population, or fertility need, the CHT tool can help predict the way a variety may perform under more specific conditions. Next up is in-season imagery. In-season imagery provided by R7 can show plant health data across a given field. It serves as an advanced scouting tool to identify problem areas in a field during the growing season, so agronomists, along with the grower, can take corrective measures to ensure that yield potential is not lost. Last but not least is our field monitoring tool, or FMT for short. This tool can also be used to help agronomists and farmers scout more efficiently and prioritize tasks. By providing up-to-date crop information throughout the season, it uses satellite imagery to benchmark fields based on biomass accumulation, then shows you in a crop tile format the day-to-day performance of all of the fields on a particular farm or in a particular area. It will also alert the grower to spots that might require more immediate attention. If you have any questions about how you can use the R7 tool, please refer to the documentation provided by Winfield United on our website accompanied by this video. Also, please feel free to contact your Garden City Co-op agronomists for any additional questions.